Have you ever caught yourself overthinking? Do they like me? Is it how I look? Is it the way I talk? It's natural to fall into this spiral of self-doubt when you're trying to figure out how others perceive you. But here's the thing, attraction isn't about obsessing over these details. It's a complex dance of psychology, biology, and social dynamics. From ancient times, our survival has depended on forming bonds, whether romantic or platonic, because connections create thriving communities. Attraction, in any form, is essential. And while there's no secret spell to make anyone like you, there are certain strategies, backed by research, that can naturally make you more appealing. Let's dive into a few of these methods. 1. Cultivate true confidence. Confidence isn't about showing off or being the loudest person in the room. It's about feeling comfortable in your own skin. People are drawn to confidence because it radiates self-acceptance, resilience, and competence. Studies even show that confidence signals stability, making you inherently more attractive. Here's a truth to hold on to. People will judge you no matter what you do. Whether you're shy or outgoing, traditional or unconventional, someone will always have an opinion. So why not let them judge the real you? Start by practicing self-affirmation. Write down your strengths and achievements regularly. Over time, this shifts your mindset and changes how you view yourself. Confidence naturally seeps into your body language. You'll notice yourself standing taller, smiling more, and appearing approachable without even trying. Take it a step further by stepping out of your comfort zone. Try new experiences, meet new people, and challenge yourself. Confidence grows when you push your boundaries. 2. Embody authenticity. Nobody wants to be around someone who's putting on a show. Authenticity means staying true to your beliefs and values, no matter the circumstances. People are naturally drawn to those who are genuine because they feel safe and connected around them. But authenticity starts with self-awareness. Why are you being inauthentic? Often, it's a response to wanting approval. Recognizing this is the first step to change. Define your values, live by them, and express your passions openly. Authenticity isn't about pleasing everyone. It's about attracting the right people who value the real you. 3. Master the art of storytelling. Stories are magnetic. They make you memorable, relatable, and human. When you share a personal story, be it funny, touching, or adventurous, you're letting others into your world. The key to good storytelling? Start with an intriguing hook, use vivid details, and tie the message to something relatable. For example, instead of just saying, "I have a cat named Whiskers," you could share the heartwarming or unexpected tale of how you found them. Stories aren't just entertaining, they build connections and leave lasting impressions. 4. Develop active listening skills. Ever talk to someone who seemed distracted or disinterested? Frustrating, isn't it? Active listening makes people feel valued and understood. It's simple. Maintain eye contact, nod occasionally, and ask thoughtful questions. Reflect back what they've said to show you're genuinely engaged. These small gestures create a sense of connection and trust, making you naturally more appealing. 5. Practice kindness and positivity. A kind word or a small gesture can leave a lasting impression. Compliment someone, offer to help, or simply bring a positive attitude to your interactions. Positivity is contagious, and kindness creates an environment where attraction can naturally grow. Research even shows that kindness is one of the most desirable traits in a partner. 6. Take care of your appearance. While personality forms deeper connections, your appearance plays a key role in first impressions. Taking care of yourself shows that you value and respect who you are. Focus on the basics: good hygiene, clean and well-fitted clothes, and a style that reflects your personality. Grooming habits, like a neat hairstyle and fresh breath, might seem small, but they leave a lasting impact. When you look and feel your best, your confidence naturally shines through, making you more attractive and approachable. It's not about perfection, it's about putting your best foot forward for yourself and others. 7. Be mindful and present. Where's your attention during conversations? Are you fully there, or is your mind elsewhere? Being present is a rare and powerful quality. It shows others that you value them, and the moment you're sharing. Practicing mindfulness through meditation or simply focusing on the here and now can reduce distractions and deepen connections. A mindful presence radiates calm and attentiveness, traits that others find incredibly attractive. 8. Develop a growth mindset. Having a growth mindset means believing in your ability to improve and viewing challenges as opportunities to learn. This attitude makes you more resilient, adaptable, and inspiring to others. People are naturally attracted to those who are optimistic and driven to better themselves. Whether it's learning a new skill, pursuing a passion, or overcoming setbacks, your efforts show dedication and determination. A growth mindset also fosters humility. You're open to feedback and willing to embrace your imperfections. This balance of ambition and humility creates a sense of authenticity and makes you relatable, encouraging deeper connections. 9. Cultivate emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, EQ, is the ability to understand, manage, and express your emotions while also being empathetic to others. People with high EQ are often seen as approachable and easy to connect with. To improve your EQ, start by becoming more self-aware. Pay attention to your emotions and understand what triggers them. Practice managing those emotions by staying calm and composed, even in challenging situations. Empathy is equally crucial. Show genuine interest in understanding others' feelings and perspectives. Ask thoughtful questions and listen actively. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel seen and understood. Studies show that emotional intelligence not only enhances personal relationships, but also boosts attraction, as it signals emotional stability and depth. 10. Show gratitude and appreciation. Gratitude is a powerful yet often overlooked trait that can significantly enhance your relationships and overall attractiveness. People feel valued and respected when you acknowledge their efforts or simply express appreciation for their presence. Start by practicing gratitude in your daily life. Thank people for their time, compliments, or small acts of kindness. A simple, heartfelt thank you or acknowledging someone's positive qualities can leave a lasting impression. Gratitude also creates a positive atmosphere, making you more approachable and likable. It shows that you're aware of the good around you and that you don't take things for granted. As research suggests, people are naturally drawn to those who exude warmth and positivity through their gratitude. Attraction isn't about tricks or manipulation, it's about building genuine connections and embracing the qualities that make you, you. By cultivating confidence, authenticity, kindness, and mindfulness, you'll naturally draw others toward you, not just for who they see on the surface, but for who you truly are. What's one quality you'd like to work on? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on living your best life. Thanks for watching.